Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Avery Fishing Outdoors. This weekend we went over to my buddy's property down in Missouri and had the best bass fishing day I ever had. So stay tuned, make sure to like and subscribe. Probably caught 15 bass over 5 pounds, 7 3-pounders. Probably the best video I ever made. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.
It's pretty open down in here.
We're in the shade. I got
a little bit more than there ain't really
good one. Hug him. Fuck. Not bad at all. Yes, sir. On the jig. Lay down. First one of the day.
Decent fish.
3-something pounder, yeah. We're getting bigger than that today. Good one, net. This thing's huge. Oh my God. Bro, that's a 10-pounder. You're good. Oh my God.
No, bro.
That's a 10-pounder.
Yeah.
That's a 10-pounder. I brought, oh, my scale's at the cabin. You got a live well?
No.
Fuck.
I don't have it hooked up.
That's a 10-pounder.
I know.
That's a 10.
Get a picture of this. I gotta. Want to measure it here? Or do you want to measure it over on this side?
This side. This is a 10-pounder. Fuck. We might. I need my scale for it to. 56, 22.
That's a big fish.
22 and a quarter. That's a 7-pounder or more all day. All day. We'll get some pictures of this guy, get the release. Forgot my scale in the damn cabin. But look at this thing, bro.
You can even tell on camera, that's way bigger than lobster.
Just keep them coming, bet. It's every bit of 8 pounds.
Alright, we're good.
Bro. So I get the release on this buddy. Eight-pounder. Wish I grabbed my scale. That thing's a tank on the jig. Yes, sir, buddy. Yes, sir. Just a little one. Damn. Yeah, that last one would have ate.
Fuck life.
That last one would have ate him.
Yeah, no shit. Yeah, she has 2 daughters that are about to...
A big one. It's bigger than the last one.
Can you help grabbing it?
I'll get him. Grab him by the mouth. Do not grab the line. Oh my, we'll grab the scale for him.
Oh fuck, that's a big ass bass.
That's bigger than the other one.
Oh, this is 10 pounds.
You think
this is
that's
at least
8? That's at least 8.
No, this is 10.
10?
This is 10 pounds.
I might have to get the scale for this.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Hold that up.
Dude, that's 10 pounds. That's not an 8-pound fish. That's 10 pounds.
It's huge, dude. It's huge.
Like, look at the fucking snout on him.
All damn day. Yes, sir, buddy. I'm gonna have to get another picture of him. What we working with? 22? He's 22 almost, just like the other one. Just under 22. The other one was bigger, I think. He's just fat still, though.
Yeah, this guy's fat. That's a big
He's 7-pounder all day. Let me hold him.
Yeah, that might be 8. 8 or 10.
Hey, just because that thickness
Yeah,
on
it's
him.
fat.
But shit, yeah, we'll have to get a picture of this one. We'll have to get him.
Oh, that thing's bigger.
Is it? It's taking multiple.
You can. I am.
But
motherfucker.
you don't have to make it look big when it's big.
No, I'm just
Oh,
getting the angle. I just want to show. Here, turn it the other way because I know you like doing it. Dude, that thing's way fatter.
You think so?
Dude, Hunter, I can show you a picture. I can put the picture back and
Back
forth.
the other two?
Yeah, no, that's a good fucking
That's an
fish,
8,
buddy.
bro. I'm telling you.
That's more than an 8.
8?
Oh, my bad, my bad.
You're good. Second tank of the damn day. Flipping a jig. This is 7/8 all day. Only 22 something inches, but it's fat. We're gonna go get the scale. We let another big one go, but yes sir, more to come. We're gonna keep at it. It's middle of the day too. It's like 3 o'clock. We're out here getting tank Missouri bass, baby. Yes sir. Oh fuck, that's heavy. Oh, 7.2 3/4. That other one.
I mean, that's a pretty big fish.
We got to
though.
redo it. Hold it. I'm gonna clear it and do it again. Ready? All right, Zero. Let it drop. 7.2 3/4. Yes, sir. We already got pictures, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bet. Hold this. 7.2 3/4. The other one was definitely the same. Where's that? Catch 2 7/8 pounders one day. More to come. There's a beautiful broad right here. Ain't nothing better than it. There she goes. Yes, sir. More to come. Appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna keep ripping them. Oh my gosh. It's bigger than the other one.
No shit.
No shit.
No way you get 3 of these motherfuckers.
Just sitting here, dude. Our trolling motor came off the front.
The mouth on this fucker, dude.
It's
This
big.
is huge.
How did we get
It
3?
ain't that heavy though.
Get an 8, a 7. That's probably another 7 for sure.
Yeah, this might be a 6 or a 7.
It's 7 all day, I think. You up? You ready? That's a tank, dude.
That's a big fish.
He bit it twice too. Right by the bank. Almost 7.
I told you.
6, 12, and an 1/8. We'll try it again.
That's a big fish.
Oh, I know.
It's a big
All right,
fish.
we're gonna weigh again.
I got him.
All right, let him go. 6, 12, and 7/8. Basically a 7-pounder.
That's a big fish though.
Number 3, bro. We could catch 40 pounds of bass for our best 5 today. We just gotta get this trolling motor fixed. Bro, can't beat it. Missouri hogs. You gotta pull it out.
Oh.
It's, yep. But I need another picture of that guy. Mongoloid.
Here, let's get a length on him.
I'll bet. But,
Yeah, I think he's a little longer than the other ones.
yeah, but he ain't as...
No,
He's 21 now. They're all about the same. They're all right around 22. He's a hair under 20. He's 20. Hair under 22.
No.
Bet. Yeah, you can hold her up. Yes, sir. Shit. Tanks all day. This is madness. Like, you ain't gonna catch no... This is just straight madness. 3 big tank of the day. All of them been big, but you can't beat that. That's just insane. 3 fish this big. Right here too, where we're parking the boat. Like I said, our trolling motor came off. We gotta figure that out. But yes, sir. Can't beat that. This is how you know you're catching them.
Look how calm the
Bass pond is now. Yeah, bro, look at my bass thumb. They got me bleeding, bro.
I know.
How big they are.
Sharks got me up pretty good too.
Can't beat that though, guys.
Tag team, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. I'm cool. I'll get him too.
Dalton's cool and shit.
I just don't want you jumping in. Like, oh,
Oh, he was a decent little fish. I can feel him. The drag.
yep. I have your. It's set perfectly.
No, I did adjusted.
Did you? You got 15. You can have it decently tight. There's one. Little pib squeak.
Probably the one that just hit mine.
Yeah, probably, bro. He's good. Not too good, but 4 or 5 pounder. If 4, he might be. We'll put the scales at the house, but
Oh, I thought it was in the boat.
no. I think I did bring. It might be. We'll see. I think I brought it in. But, oh, it's pushing 4. Definitely over 3.5. Yes, sir. Finally getting them. You just gotta find them. The water's muddy. When you find them, you get them. Quality though. Oh, what do we got here? 18, a little over 18. 18, yeah. Pushing 4. Definitely. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Benny Boo's first one of the day.
No, third one of the day.
Third one. Oh yeah, no, you did.
Second one.
You caught a crappie and yep. That was off camera. Good one. It's huge. It's huge. I'm gonna flip him. I got him. Oh yeah. Oh. Casualty. Casualty. Hey, that's huge.
They're fat.
It's 4 something though. They're hugely fat. 4 something, yes sir. Pancake, patty cake. Flipping's my favorite thing to catch them. Buddy, we turn it down 1, 2 clicks. It's good enough loud, but too loud, the fish will feel it. Oh, my bad. My bad.
Alright, jerk off.
Good one. It's huge.
Might be another 7 pound bass.
It's a 5. It's a 5.
That's one of the longer ones too.
It's a health.
Not as fat.
It's a 5. 4 something 5 like the last. Oh yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Size of your penis.
Is it? But no, that's bigger than me. But get the measurement. That's what we're here for. About dark. They didn't bite for so long. Only 20 and a half. 20 and a half inches, but he's fat. That's 6. He ain't. No, he's not 7.
He's about 20 inches.
He's not 7, but he's 6, 6 and a half.
No. This is
no. You think so?
I'm telling you, fucking feel it.
Oh yeah, I didn't feel it.
That's a 7 pound bass. That's not 6.
Yeah, it's close.
That's at
it's
least
close.
7.
She's heavier than you think. 100%.
Yeah, do you see how big it is?
We're gonna get a picture. We'll get the release, guys. Like you just can't beat this lake.
Bro, like,
you're good, buddy.
It's not moving. Like, turn up to 5 here real fast. The only time you can ever move on a trolling motor is 4 or 5, ever.
That's how much we got it. Good one. Good one. Good one. Nah, this one, it's a tank. It's my one. This is my one. Turn that trolling motor off. This is the one I was talking about. You're gonna have to grab him. It's huge. Yes, it's huge. It's huge. It's huge. You ready? You ready? Grab him, not the line. It's huge. That's a 6. It ain't no 7.
No.
It might be.
This is a 7 pound bass. Got that shit on recording?
Yeah, no, we've been, yep. Yeah, buddy.
He's a chunky bass. All these motherfuckers chunky.
Oh, no, that's 6 and a half.
He's
it may not be 7.
The one you caught in this cove yesterday had a massive fucking snout. Yeah.
They're just fat. That's a football. Yeah. He cannot be more fat. Like, there ain't no room.
Bitch built like a torta.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Torta. We can catch the state record in this pond.
There, you're good. I got like 8 of them.
Appreciate it, buddy. Yes, sir. Can't beat it, boys. She's gone.
Yeah,
She gone.
That gave a little fight compared to the
Oh,
other.
it fought harder than them 7-pounders,
Dude,
bro.
that one we caught, dude, he
Oh.
was dead, man. He just like, I'm trying
He's
to
a
put my
wimp.
dick in and let it there,
Yeah.
you know? Like,
It was Nick, bro. Ain't bad. My line's frayed too. Another 3-something pounder. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a 10. I'm just gonna get him. That's a 10, dude. That's a 10. We gotta get the scale.
yeah.
Holy cow. Holy cow. Thumped the piss out of it. Oh, thumb's so cut up from these fish. That's a 10. That's a 10, at least an 8. That's oh, grab with that hand. He is only barely, not even 22. All about the same length. This is just a football of a football. Come on. All right. Put it right there. Right.
Look at the sheer size of that thing. That's what motherfuckers have posted on their walls.
It's only 614, I know.
Really?
I thought it was a tank. I mean, that's straight thickness. But get this guy back in there. Back down she goes. Can't beat it.
Help.
Yeah. Appreciate it, buddy.
That's the one that's been yapping over here.
He's big. He's a 5-something.
That's the one that's been jumping
Yeah,
over
buddy.
here.
He's probably early 5s. Early. Yeah.
Oh, dude, he's chunky.
Yeah, they're all, bro. I've never seen fish
Like,
this
this one's
fat.
dense.
Yeah, small mouth, but he's fat. That's saying 4'11", 3/4, huh?
Yeah, I feel that. He's dense as hell.
Yeah, he's big. These are footballs. I've never seen fish so fat.
You want to get a pic?
Yeah, I got a picture. Thank you, buddy. He's gonna jump.
That's my beef. I want to fucking.
Oh. Damn. Oh shit. So what kitty cat? Oh, shot. This thing just bit it again. Sitting here, our trolling motor broke. This fish has bit it twice. These can flip. They ain't as big as I thought. It's a 4-pounder though. Yes, sir.
Your rod.
Oh shit. Yeah, it was about to go. Yes, sir. Ain't bad at all. Shit, I'll take it.
Motor. Taking pictures.
You'll get some. Oh, you got a crank in you. You got a hook in you.
I thought. He hit that shit hard.
Oh, he ain't bad.
That's what I thought, you pussy ass bitch.
No, I got him. He ain't that big. Doubled up. Yes, sir. Easy with him, buddy. Oh, yeah. Bro just yucked him in. Here, open your bail. I'll get him.
I appreciate it, Hoss.
Here, open your bail real quick.
Oh, yeah, my bad.
Bro.
Knew the crankbait was going to come in.
This I ain't a bad one at all, buddy. You need a picture?
Picture for my dad.
Yeah, I know. Prime.
I didn't, to be honest, I think you just got me the first one. Get it out of the way.
It's a monster. I'll get it. I'll bring him over.
Lines go right on the
Flipping 8-pounders. Oh no, he ain't 8, but he's 5 something, 6 maybe. Hook up the scale. Yes, sir. Casting that log twice. I'll work on it. I can maybe work on it in a second.
I was trying to reel in fucking for you. I think we just need to chop this. I ain't gonna cap. Oh, how heavy was it?
5'8".
Smelt the coolers banging. That's it, buddy. What's the word, home slice?
You get them or me?
I don't care. I just don't want my jacket to get completely soaked.
Another 5.
Both kind of heavy. That's one of the longer ones too.
2. True. You're probably 5 something in there.
Oh shit.
Little neck on him.
Probably shot it with a 22.
Drop it. This thing's tripping. 4.7 3/8.
Dude, if you feel that fish, I don't know, man. You might need to get a new one in.
No, it's horrible. It didn't. I have a 5-pound dumbbell and it was weighing like 4 pounds 12 ounces on a 5-pound dumbbell.
Man, this thing's got crispy with some of these, catching a fade or two.
No, they probably get attacked by like otters or muskrats.
Look at all these otters and muskrats out here.
I mean, yeah, he's 20.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, because you left the gun down here and you said don't leave my gun. That's when you took a nap.
Oh yeah.
And got him still. It's a cat. No, it's a bass, just small. It was rolling. I kind of thought it was a cat. Yes, sir. Definitely think they're in the shallows though. This proved it. All the fish we caught coming down on this side. There's something been.
That's where I caught some of my biggest.
Good one. Good one. I ain't too big. Oh, it's just unreal. It ain't that big. Good. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, I know. They all fight hard. Oh, that's a tank. Another tank. 4 something.
Actually, let's go back up to the house. Like, I can have you start cleaning up a little bit. I can pop some fucking brats on the fucking stove
That'll work.
and munch on them fucks.
That was good to me. He ain't special, guys. Yes, sir. As soon as we're about to
I
leave.
thought it was right there on that tree. I've been caught up 3 times.
As soon as we're about to leave, too. That's crazy. Those treble hooks suck. Oh, there you go. Quick release.